Hello, I'm David Wyler, and I'd like to invite you to join us here at the Jeff Wyler Automotive family, where you, the customer, are our #1 priority, and our employees, well, they're like family. We're a top-rated dealer group with awards spanning multiple brands, and we're continually striving to be the Midwest premier digital dealer with the most up-to-date car shopping tech on the market. We understand you want a fast and easy shopping experience, so we created Wyler Direct. This is a service where you complete some or most of your buying process online, so you can have a quick and easy delivery on your choice of over 7,500 new and pre-owned vehicles. You can also schedule an online service appointment at your convenience. We welcome you to visit any of our state-of-the-art showrooms, where you'll always find a first-class shopping experience. If you're coming in for service, please enjoy free coffee and snacks while waiting in our comfortable lounges that feature free Wi-Fi and TV. Our locations also include numerous body shops for any collision repairs that you may need. Then there's our Wyler Care program, where you're going to save 30% off oil changes and tire rotations. We're here to create satisfied clients, and I want to personally invite you to join the Jeff Wyler Automotive family.